Good morning. Welcome to this episode of Hardscape Hustle. It's a gorgeous day here in central New York, up in Onondaga Hill. It's time to do some landscaping. Let's get started. So we've got a lot to accomplish here at this property. We've got some stuff going on in the front, some stuff going on in the back, and the sides of the home. The first thing we're going to get started on is some landscaping. We're going to do some regular maintenance to the landscaping beds at this home. We're going to re-edge them, weed them, clean them out, and get them fresh with some new mulch and some new stone. We're also going to go a little extra. We're going to incorporate some river beds into these mulch beds. As you can see, I've got them all painted out. To get these ready, we'll dig them out, we'll put in some filter fabric, and we'll put in some number 2 St. Lawrence cobbles to really tie in the bigger boulders in this bed and make it look like there's a natural river flowing through their mulch bed. So what we're doing right now is we're going to take this fence line that was originally mulch and we're going to turn it into a St. Lawrence cobble landscape bed. So the customer has an existing patio now, not a lot of utilizable space though. So we're going to rip this patio out and we're going to open this patio up so they've got room to relax and enjoy time with family. The first process is we're going to be removing this composite deck. It's about 15 to 20 years old and it just kind of shrinks their patio space. So once we remove this deck, we've got all this open real estate that we get to utilize for our hardscape compass. We're going to build a big set of stairs, a landing coming out of this house, out of block. It'll come down and open this patio right up. So what we're getting started on now is, now that we've got those items removed, we've excavated the base, we've put in our crusher run base and tamped it. Now we're starting to build the stairs and landing that'll lead down into this patio. So anytime we rip into a house where they had an existing landing or sliding glass door, it's always important to check below the door for any rot that's happened over time due to water or moisture being trapped. Unfortunately, that was the case at this house. Underneath their sliding glass door, they incurred a bunch of moisture getting trapped and rotting their wood. So we're going to have to replace all this wood here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You get all the extra features, like me in a hot tub.